In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send location in your Android phone. Now, the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Maps. Make sure that your internet connection and location is turned on. So after open Google Maps, just tap on this profile icon. Then just tap on location sharing. Then tap on share location. From here, you can choose two options for 1 hour and until you turn this off. If I select 1 hour, then you can increase or decrease your time range. You can select 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, but I'm just select 1 hour or 30 minutes. And then choose any option. You can send your location to WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger. If I select WhatsApp and then tap on share, then select WhatsApp again and then select any contacts. Then tap on this send icon and that's it. You can see location has been sent successfully. Now using this link, the person can see your current location for 30 minutes. And that is how you can send location in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.